Now introducing the crown jewel of the Xiaomi's 2024 lineup, the Xiaomi 14 clinches the title of the best overall Xiaomi smartphone. This device stands out in the crowded field and high-end smartphones with its sleek design merging 8.2 mm in thickness and featured a manageable 6.36-inch screen, making one-hand use a breeze. The AMOLED display is a key highlight, offering stunning images quality that elevates every visual experience. Despite its relatively compact size, the Xiaomi 14 packs a serious punch with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor, ensuring it can handle demanding tasks like gaming and high-resolution video editing with ease. Camera capabilities are another area where the Xiaomi 14 excels, boasting a top-tier photography setup. The device features a triple 50-megapixel rear camera array paired with a 32-megapixel front camera, delivering versatility and high-quality captures across the board. Battery life is robust, with a 4610 mAh battery that supports an impressive 90-watt fast charging, reaching full charge in just under 40 minutes, along with a 50-watt wireless charging option. Performance-wise, the Xiaomi 14 is equipped with a 12GB of RAM and 512GB of storage, running on the Hyper OS based on Android 14, providing a smooth and responsive user experience. The camera setup is particularly noteworthy, with its main 50-megapixel sensor featuring a Leica Simulix lens for superior image clarity and dynamic range and reduced distortion. Video capabilities include 8K and 4K recording in Dolby Vision, showcasing the prowess of the primary camera. Additionally, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide sensor and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with a 3 times optical zoom and optical image stabilization enhances the photographic versatility. Connectivity options are comprehensive, including a dual 5G Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, and an infrared port, a USB-C 3.2 port, making a Xiaomi 14 a well-rounded flagship phone with no compromise. Overall, this model delivers top-notch performance at the best possible price. So, quality ratio, you wanted the best and you got it. So, that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, see you guys later.